What's up everyone? I'm Imran Khizyr and welcome back to Design with Mani. In my last video, we saw how AI can completely mess up a UI design, from broken layers to hallucinated layouts. If you missed that AI versus human breakdown, definitely check it out on the channel. But today's video is different. We aren't just pointing out AI's flaws, we're making AI our power tool. I'm going to reveal the 3 secret AI plugins that every pro designer is using in 2026 to stay ahead of the curve. So, if you're ready to 10 times your Figma workflow and stop wasting time on manual tasks, let's jump straight into the screen. The first tool on my list is Relume AI. Most designers waste hours staring at a blank canvas, but with Relume, that's over. You simply type in your project description and it generates a complete sitemap and a high-fidelity wireframe structure in seconds. The best part? Everything it builds is fully responsive with auto layout, just like we discussed in my last video. Remember, use AI to build the bones so you can focus on the heart of the design. Next up is MagiCopy. Let's be honest, nothing kills a professional design faster than Lorem Ipsum or robotic text. If you want your UI to actually convert, you need real, persuasive copy. With MagiCopy, you just select your frame, tell the AI your target audience, and it generates high-converting UX copy directly inside Figma. You can even adjust the tone of voice to match your brand perfectly. No more manual typing, just pure AI-driven content. And finally, my personal favorite for 2026, UX Pilot. This isn't just about making things look pretty. It's about making them work. UX Pilot analyzes your layout and provides predictive heat maps. It shows you exactly where a user's eyes will land before you even launch. It's like having a senior UX researcher sitting right next to you, validating your decisions before you ever present to a client. This is the true power of an AI-driven workflow. Those are the 3 tools that keep me 10 times faster than the competition. I've dropped the links for all of them in the description below. But I want to hear from you. Which of these are you going to try first? Let me know in the comments. And if you want a deep dive tutorial on any specific tool, just drop a part 2 below. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more pro Figma workflows. I'm Imran Khizyr, and I'll see you in the next one. Keep designing.